Ever felt frustrated navigating a company's website, desperately searching for a way to reach a real person? Yeah, we've all been there. Especially when it comes to something as important as your credit score. Borrowell is a popular platform in Canada offering credit monitoring and other financial tools, but if you need to get in touch, their site can feel like a maze. Fear not, fellow credit score voyagers. This video will be your roadmap, guiding you through all the ways to contact Borrowell. Whether you have a question about your credit report, your Borrowell account, or just need some general help, we'll get you connected. First things first, Borrowell boasts a comprehensive help center, invalid URL removed, packed with articles and FAQs that might just answer your question before you need to contact anyone directly. It's a treasure trove of information, categorized neatly to make your search efficient. Think of it as a self-service buffet for resolving common Borrowell inquiries. But sometimes, you need a human touch. That's where Borrowell's contact options come in. For general inquiries that aren't credit report specific, Borrowell offers a good old-fashioned email address, info@borrowell.com. Craft your email clearly, outlining your question or concern, and hit send. Borrowell's customer support team will get back to you within 1 to 3 business days. Now, if your question pertains specifically to your credit report, Borrowell steers you in a different direction. They don't have a dedicated phone line for credit report inquiries, but they do point you towards TransUnion, the credit bureau Borrowell partners with in Canada. TransUnion has its own customer support options, so you'll need to head over to their website to get in touch. Here's the key. The language you use to navigate TransUnion's site is crucial. If your question is about disputing an error on your credit report, you'll want to search for information related to credit disputes. TransUnion offers phone numbers specifically for handling those disputes, with dedicated lines for English and French speakers, including Quebec residents. Now, let's say you're a Borrowell member with a question about your account, a product like Borrowell Builder, or anything else related to your membership. In that case, you can log into your Borrowell account and look for the Contact Us section. This will likely take you back to the help center we mentioned earlier, but within your secure member area. You might also find additional resources or contact options specific to your membership status. Remember, Borrowell prioritizes keeping your financial information secure. So, reaching out through your member account is generally the safest and most efficient way to connect with them about account-specific issues. Here's a quick recap. For general inquiries, shoot Borrowell an email at info@borrowell.com. For credit report questions, head over to TransUnion's website and look for information on disputing errors. And for member-specific questions, log into your Borrowell account and explore the Contact Us section. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.